how are you everybody? Today we're going to be talking about rolling like a ball. I'm going to show you all the progressions and all the regressions to make it so that it is accessible for everybody, and I'll show you the ideal version. So grab your mat, press pause, I'll see you back here in a minute. Hey, now that you have all of your tools, let's get busy. So rolling like a ball is set up. You're right on top of your sitting bones. I'm going to go through the ideal version first. Your hands are right down by your ankles. You pull yourself into a tight little ball. Lower your head down. I'm going to readjust my mic here. So you got your feet pulled in. You're in a nice tight little ball. Take your feet up and you're right on your tailbone. Your elbows are lifted and wide. Roll back a little bit. Come forward. Keep your feet off the mat. Roll back a little bit by pulling your belly in. Now, if that's easy, roll all the way back and roll all the way up. Roll back, roll up, and place your feet down. Move my mic back up so you can hear me. So that was the ideal version. The next one, to regress that back down, have your hands underneath your thighs. Roll back, elbows wide. Each hand is under each thigh. Head down, roll back by pulling your belly in, come forward to level it out. Roll it back with your belly. Now same thing, if that was easy, you roll back and you roll up. Now when you roll back, the distance between your heels and your butt does not change. So I don't want you rolling back, moving like so. See how my feet just moved? Yep, keep your heels to your seat. So that is another regression you can do. The other version is you can just hold the position to regress it more. You're looking down, you're round as a little ball. You're just going to hold the position and lower it all the way back down. So key pointers is when you're up and balancing and you're in the ideal version, when you roll, the distance between your heels and your butt does not change. You initiate the movement with your pelvis tucking under. That is your rolling like a ball ideal version. Pick which version is going to work best for your body in that day. Your body is going to be different every single day. You might need the regress version or the progression. So if you're taking any of my Pilates classes and I do a version that doesn't agree with you, you have the knowledge to regress it back down until your core strength becomes a lot stronger and it becomes second nature and you're able to just flow through the movement. Hey, if you're looking for a program, we have those on our app. We have all the fundamentals and we have Pilates challenges and classes that you can take. Leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye.